Josh Tack over here. Show him over here. This is Josh the Retard Tack. Here's what he's drinking today. Drinking Frank's Red Hot. England steak sauce. Regular 2% reduced fat milk. Some lemon juice. It's real lemon. Peanut butter, but that was just on the spoon that we started with. Apple juice. Jalapeno juice and jalapenos. It's all in this guy right here. Have a look at that disgusting thing. He's doing this for $3.50. Alright, here we go. Yum over the fruit, Big J. He's gonna throw up now. Don't need one more sip. Touchdown, Big J! Touchdown! Touchdown! He did it!
Oh, I hope not. Alright, you're done now.